Question Alpha 01. What electrical component opposes the flow of current in a DC circuit? Answer is B. Resistor. Question Alpha 02. What type of component is often used as an adjustable volume control? Answer is C. Potentiometer. Question Alpha 03. What electrical parameter is controlled by a potentiometer? Answer is B. Resistance. Question Alpha 04. What electrical component stores energy in an electric field? Answer is B. Capacitor. Question Alpha 05. What type of electrical component consists of conductive surfaces separated by an insulator? Answer is D. Capacitor. Question Alpha 06. What type of electrical component stores energy in a magnetic field? Answer is C. Inductor. Question Alpha 07. What electrical component is typically constructed as a coil of wire? Answer is D. Inductor. Question Alpha 08. What is the function of an SPDT switch? Answer is C. A single circuit is switched between one of two other circuits. Question Alpha 09. What electrical component is used to protect other circuit components from current overloads? Answer is A. Fuse. Question Alpha 10. Which of the following battery chemistries is rechargeable? Answer is D. All these choices are correct. Question Alpha 11. Which of the following battery chemistries is not rechargeable? Answer is B. Carbon zinc. Question Alpha 12. What type of switch is represented by component 3 in figure T2? Answer is a single pole single throw.